All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back with our end of day post wave report with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous post wave price trigger reports. All right, so I am running very late today, so I'm going to make this as quick as possible. All right, so I had a request coming out of the trading room, and this is for Amazon. Amazon is an interesting one here because the bears are still in control. Even though the market rallied a bit today, it's still under the auspices of a crash alert, and you got bearish momentum still in the market. As far as upside narrative, well, you got this gap here that was created on October the 28th, and then you got a gap way back here from September the 13th. So there's a possibility that things could switch and the bulls could gain control of this market. If you get a strong close above 105, that could put an end to the current downtrend, and then the market will be ready to test the bottom of the Kumo cloud at 115. All right. So that is my take on Amazon. All right. So jumping to our next chart, like I say, I'm making this quick because I'm running very late. So I'm only doing the requests that I got. So that's what I'm doing. And then I got to go. All right. So Litecoin is another one. You can see here that we came into today with the rally alert, and the market did give upside production, hitting a new weekly high. So right now the bulls are in control of Litecoin. They've gained control of this, and we have a bear market rally going now. Oh, I forgot to put on. I thought I did put the charts on here. My bad. Can y'all see them now? Okay. So here's your Litecoin. Here's the rally alert coming into today. Here's the upside production. The bulls are in control of this market. Upside target should be around the 90 to 95 area for Litecoin. And I started off the broadcast doing a request from the trading room, and this request was Amazon. So I pulled that chart back up for you. You can see here the bears are still in control of this market, even though it had a little rally today. You have this gap right here, all right, that was created back here that needs to be filled. And then you have one way back here, all right, going all the way back to September. So these 2 points eventually is where this market needs to go, which means that you're probably not just going to stop at the $115 initial target at the bottom of the Kumo cloud, but you're going to go to the secondary target of $130 a share to fill in this gap. Now, where it goes from there is a good question, but I think that's what this bear market rally is going to do for you with Amazon. All right. Okay. Next up, we got, let's see, got Theta. All right. Let me pull up the Theta for you. Give me just a second. Got to find it. All right, let's see here. All right, found it. All right, for Theta, here we go. All right. So Theta had a rally alert coming into today, and it didn't really do anything. It's flat at the moment, and this is because of the flip-floppage and the resistance, which is the bottom of the Kumo cloud. So Theta is really struggling to get a strong close above $1. And that's what it's going to need to do. It's going to need to close above $1 that at least put it in the Kumo cloud and, further the consolidation. But your consolidation bar is back here from the week of November the 8th. And this is the range that this market's going to be stuck in for a while, or at least for the time being. All right. I don't think this market's going to go too much further than that. Unfortunately, some markets are very much consolidated, and there's not a whole lot that can be done about it, except for to be patient and just wait for the market to give you those buy-in signals. All right, the Australian dollar. Let's see here. All right. Okay. So I see you. Well, and that's a good. You said the Aussie dollar blew past the price. How do I ensure I get filled on O&A? Okay, well, a few answers to that question. The first one is there is an actual tutorial that we have at pulsewavetrading.com on your dashboard. When you log in, go to tutorials, and I have specific videos showing you how to place your orders on O&A. I even have a very old video here on YouTube. Just go to the PulseWave Trading channel and type in O&A, and that tutorial should come up for you. But basically, you want to use stops and not stop limits. Regular stop losses, not stop limits. All right, buy stop. Some platforms call it a stop market, but you don't want to use a stop limit. You want to stop market because there's no such thing as the market blowing past your price. All right, even if it gaps up a zillion points, you're still going to get a fill. If you use a stop limit, you're not going to get a fill. All right, there's no guaranteed to fill on a stop limit order. For more about order types and how to use order types strategically for entries and exits, we also have tutorials on our site for that as well under the education part on your dashboard under education and tutorials. Don't have the time to go into all that here. All right, so on your Australian dollar, I do see the upsurge here, but the bulls have been in control of this market for a while. This has been a pretty productive pretty productive bear market rally, and it looks like it wants to continue. It's trying to hit 68, and we'll probably start to see resistance around the 69-ish handle. So I think the next upside target is 69 actually for the Aussie if it can get there. But you need a strong close above 68 first. And that's where it's been struggling. That's where the current resistance is on your Aussie, is right there on the 68 handle. All right. Let's see what else we got here. All right, we got a request for USEA, United Maritime. All right, let's see what's going on here. All right, this must be a new one because I don't have a lot of data. So it doesn't meet my criteria, but I'll give you what I have on it anyway. All right, so on this one here, it's above the Kumo cloud, which is great. You got a nice little rally going on. The bulls are in control, and you just hit a new weekly high. So yeah, this one looks like the next upside target is $4, and it'll probably hit $5 if the momentum keeps going. You did gap though. You gapped on the 29th, so this needs to be back and filled at some point. But I think you're wide open to the upside here. So looks like this one really wants to run for you. Give me a second here. All right, so I've added that to the U.S. equity report. Once enough data is received on that, then it should meet the criteria of the system, and it'll be automatically added to the reports. But it's going to take some time to get all of the data that's required for it to meet the system's requirements before the PulseWave system will pick it up. So just FYI for you on that. But I did go ahead and add it. All right, so let's get to your next one. All right, so the next one that we're going to pull up here is UPST as in Tango. All right, Upstart. All right, so here's Upstart. All right, this one looks newish as well. Okay. All right, so on this one, you've been neutralized for quite some time here. Hasn't really done anything, but it's looking like it's building a nice long base. I see you just came off a new 52-week lows. Looks like the bear market rally is trying to get out the gate. So the the immediate target uh, is going to be the bottom of the Kumo cloud. That's going to be your initial target on this one, and that should put you around $23.10. And then, of course, the top of the cloud would be 30. All right, on this one. All right, looking at the next one here is PCG. All right, and that is actually PG&E. It's the name of the company. And on this one, let's see here. All right, so this one is in a bull market and has been in a bull market for some time, and you just hit a new 52-week high today. So this one's wide open. This is a nice bull market. So have at it. Enjoy yourself. Don't know where this one's going to stop. It seems like it wants to do it. Looks like a very powerful bull market, most definitely. All right, and the next was ENSC. Let's see what we got. Let's see. All right, so this is Incense Bioscience or whatever. All right, so this one here is on the NASDAQ, so that's good. Okay, so this one has been bottoming out and basing for quite a while as well, hitting back-to-back 52-week lows for like 2 weeks. Now the bear market rally is trying to start. Now you had a false start back here, tried to do something and couldn't hold on. Now it's looking like it's ready to try it again. But I think this one's going to still remain muted for a while. I think it's gonna be neutralized because I do see, yeah, and this is the weekly. You see, you're just flatlined. This market is like going nowhere. The stock's going nowhere right now. It's just not ready. But I did do you a solid. All the above securities you asked me about, I just went ahead and added those to the system. So on the next report, you should see those come up once they meet the criteria for the system. All right, I see your question about the S&P 500. The ticker is SPY. So we're going to go ahead and pull that one up now. Yeah, so I did notice that right when Powell started, talking during this little press conference, that's when the plunge protection team came in and saved the day. Because as you know, we had a crash alert coming into this. All right, had a crash alert. Then that was followed by a little rally alert, and then we got the rally today. So very interesting things coming in today. Now this rally did do something. It kind of saved the day. All right, they're desperate to make this market run. Now a couple of things are happening here, though. Even though you had this run here, the market's been neutralized. All right. You see the light blue line come up here? The market's has been neutralized. So what that means is today's bar, more likely than not, is going to end up being the consolidation bar going forward, so that the market can end the year, in the green. So I wouldn't be surprised. Now, to say that the market's going to turn around and that we've bottomed out and, here comes the ride. Well, on the weekly chart, when you look at the weekly chart, it really hasn't done a whole lot. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I think the market is in trouble. I think that it is definitely going to, if if they're going to make it rally at some point, it's gonna stop, because the overhead target here is the bottom of the Kumo cloud on the weekly chart, and that's at $420 a share. We're at 407 today. It still has a way to go, but I think the bears could come in there and do something. Now, you've been on the weekly chart, you've been bullish. You're still in a bull market, even though the market corrected heavily and got below the Kumo cloud and has been below the Kumo cloud for some time. It is possible that the market is getting ready to roll over, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said before, we take what the market gives us. If the market wants to short squeeze and get us out of all of our shorts and make us go get long, then that's fine. Whatever we lost on the shorts, we'll make back when we go long. If that's what they want to do, they want to make this thing explode and go to 500. Okay, so be it. We'll let it do what it do. We're not married to positions in the market. We trade what the market gives us, and that's it. All right, so let's finish up with let's go in with Bitcoin. Like I said, I had a late start, so we're going to end it here. All right, so Bitcoin participated somewhat in today's movement. It was up a little bit. You can see we had the rally alert coming into today. It gave us that upside production. Bottom of the Kumo cloud is going to be between 19,000 and 20,000 is the upside target if the market can get there. All right, folks, that's all I got for now. So smash the like button if you haven't already done so. Take the 14-day challenge. All right, take that 14-day challenge. We got a free trial going on right now. You can take that challenge, see how much money you can make trading the signals over the next 14 days free of charge. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So I'm going to take what you can and give nothing back. And I am out. Peace.